Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be unclogging the drain that's at the bottom of my freezer. This plastic tube is clogged somewhere between this hose, causing a leak to form underneath the refrigerator. Here's where I stuck a towel to catch some of that water. There's a fan that turns on and off with all the components that comes with a freezer this size. It's very compact with very little room to maneuver between all the things just to get to this one clogged tube. This is where I disconnected the tube away from the insertion that leads to the inside of the freezer. And at this point, the water had frozen inside the freezer, leaving a sheet of ice that I had broken and thrown in the sink days before. And during that time, I didn't plan on fixing it myself, so I don't have a picture to insert. Right now, I'm twisting together pipe cleaner to help break through the clog, along with a drinking straw, hot water, and a funnel. And I had to repeat this several times before the clog broke loose. So now I'm putting the tube back, and it was a challenge. You have to be hands-on to know what I'm talking about, because it seems fairly easy, but it's not. And here's where I finally got it inserted properly. Here's another picture of the inside of the freezer. I used hot water to help unclog the plug. And by the way, my refrigerator had been unplugged for quite some time, and I made sure not to use boiling hot water and to never work on the refrigerator when it was plugged in. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below.